Hello there. So in today's video, we're going to learn how to get TensorFlow set up with the program that first automatically sets up for you. And it's really easy to set up. You basically just open first sample program and download it. But I'm going to show you how that works today.
So the first thing we're going to want to do is connect the phone to the computer through Wi-Fi Direct. So go ahead and open up the app, the FTC Robot Controller app, not the driver station. Wait for it to load. Let's start the robot real quick. And then go up to these three dots up here and press Program and Manage. And then it'll show a bunch of network information on the phone screen.
So from here, after opening up the app on the phone, you can go into your Wi-Fi options, and you should see a direct with a Wi-Fi network with the name direct and then the name of your phone. Ours is 13467 ARC, our team number. And then from there, I'm going to disconnect connect automatically because I don't want it to always connect to that phone. And then press connect. And then it'll want a security key. Now on the screen that you opened up on your phone that I showed previously, there is a little paragraph that says the passphrase for this network is, and then it has some letters. So I'm going to go ahead and insert those letters into this box here. And enter. Sure. That setting doesn't really matter for this application. Cool, and it connected, and it says no internet, and that's okay. We're not going to be able to use Google. If I reload here, it's not going to be able to load. So, from here, what we can do though, even though we can't use the internet, so we're going to type in the IP address to connect to the phone. So it should be http:// and it would be 192.168, typo there, .49.1, and a colon 8080. And then that will take you to the robot controller webpage. From here, this is a blocks tutorial video. There's also on Bot Java. We're going to be dealing with the blocks. So you can click into the blocks area. And then these are all, it'll show all the op modes you previously have made. If you don't have any, this will be empty. Our team has a lot of op modes, test op modes. So we're going to create a new one. And the sample that we're going to base it off of, instead of basic op mode, we can come in here, and then it has a drop-down list. You can do concept TensorFlow object detection. And you can name it whatever you want. I'm going to name mine TensorFlow test December 26. And now we're into the blocks program that first has pre-made for us. So this program, the TensorFlow sample op mode first already has the program set so that it can detect field elements. This one will detect rings from the 2019-2020 game and also duckies from the 2020 to 2021 game. There's a lot of code in here. We won't go through all of it. The important part that we're going to look at in a second is this loop right here, and all this has to do with initializing the TensorFlow, the camera. This is using the camera on the phone, by the way. I'm going to make another video that goes over connecting an external camera to the phone, but this one just uses the phone's back camera. You can see it's set the back camera here. You can also use the front camera. So let's go ahead and download it to the phone, and then we can see how it works. So to download it to the phone, you can just press Save Op Mode. I'm paranoid, so I press it a bunch of times, but you really only need to press it once. And then it should be onto the robot controller phone.
So now we have the two phones, the one that we configured earlier with the Program and Manage page, and then the driver station phone. Let's go ahead and get out of the Program and Manage page, and then open up the driver station app on the other phone. Wait for that to load for a second. And then from here we can connect, this one connected automatically. It doesn't always do that. you can go here, settings, pair with robot controller, and then select the phone that you want to pair with. This one is paired with 13467 ARC, which is the name of this phone up here, so we're all good with that. And then you can go in here and find the program that we just made. Ours was TensorFlow test December 26th. You can go ahead and initialize and run it. And we'll go ahead and see this detection in action. So here's some footage of the TensorFlow actually working with First's automatic program. And I don't have any game elements with me right now, but if there was a game element, it would kind of outline it in orange, and it automatically shows the position of the element and knows it in the program. And it'll send it by telemetry to the driver station phone. You can see it's looking for the element, kind of tracking what's around it. Yeah, so there's getting TensorFlow set up for the first time.